Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to use Fibonacci extensions to know when to take profit. This is part 1 of the content. In our previous video, we learned how to use Fibonacci retracement with Japanese candlesticks. The next use of Fibonacci will be using them to find targets. Let's start with an example in an uptrend. In an uptrend, the general idea is to take profits on a long trade at a Fibonacci price extension level. You determine the Fibonacci extension levels by using 3 mouse clicks. First, click on a significant swing low, then drag your cursor and click on the most recent swing high. Finally, drag your cursor back down and click on any of the retracement levels. This will display each of the price extension levels, showing both the ratio and corresponding price levels. Let's go back to that example with the USD CHF chart we showed you in the previous video. The 50% fib level held strongly as support, and after 3 tests, the pair finally resumed its uptrend. In the chart above, you can see price rise above the previous swing level, which is swing high. Let's pop on the Fibonacci extension tool to see where would have been a good place to take off some profits. Here's a recap of what happened after the retracement swing low occurred. Price rallied all the way to the 61.8% level, which lined up closely with the previous swing high. It fell back to the 38.2% level where it found support. Price then rallied and found resistance at the 100% level. A couple of days later, price rallied yet again before finding resistance at the 161.8% level. As you can see from the example, the 61.8%, 100% and 161.8% levels all could have been good places to take off some profits. In the next video, we will show you an example of using Fibonacci extension levels in a downtrend. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.